So let me walk you through the Facebook Ads Manager. So you just understand what the Ads Manager is and what you can do inside of here. So if you are running Facebook ads or you want to run Facebook ads either for your business or as a service to other people's businesses, the Ads Manager is where you are going to spend a lot of time. So it's important to understand what you can do inside of there and the things that are available to you inside of the Ads Manager. So to come to the Ads Manager, you just want to go to Google and search for adsmanager.facebook.com. So this is a direct link to the Ads Manager. So under the Ads Manager, this is where you can see your whole account overview. So this is around everything that you have done on the account, especially the campaigns, the posts you've created and all of that. We do not have anything going on here yet. You can see just so far what we have done, and here you can see the total amount that we have. This is if you have a credit, a prepaid account. You can see basically how much you spent and the rest. And this is where you see your ad account. So you can see the opportunity score for your account. All right. So you can optimize it if you want. In most cases, you don't need to do anything about that. So if you come here, you can see the current campaigns that you are running, the campaign objective, and the whole thing. All right. So this is what you get for the overview. All right, but we really want to, if you come to the campaigns here, this is where you actually see the campaigns, the different campaigns that you are running. So here you can see the different campaigns. You can see all the metrics. You can see things you can do like the campaign, the ad sets, the ad, where you can duplicate ad, edit them, delete them, a whole lot of things. So this is where you are going to spend the bulk of your time after you publish your ads. This is where you are going to keep track of them and everything. So if you come here, you also see ads reporting. You come to the audience. This is where you see all the audience that you've created before. If you have not, you can also create audiences from there. So here, this is where you see your custom audience, your lookalike audience, and you can even save your audience if you want to target them specifically. So far, we don't have anything here. So we don't see anything here. So this is where you see your advertising settings, and this is where you see your billings and your payments. So if you click on billings and the payment, this is where you see all your transactions, how much you've paid for the ads, how much you've funded, your balance, the whole reporting about your campaigns and the whole business as a whole, especially billing wise. So here you can see that we have an available fund of around 100,000 Nigerian naira. You can see when we funded all these funds. You can see the business info and all of that. You can get support from here. So this is where you see your payment method, your payment activities, and your credit line. So some of these things might be different depending on your location and the payment method you use and all of that. But this is how it looks from the perspective of a Nigerian. All right. So if you come to the events manager, this is where you can create custom events, tracking, pixels, and a whole lot of things. So as you can see, this is where we can create our data sets now called pixels, custom conversions, and integrations. Everything about tracking and events. This is where you can connect them, and this is where you can manage all of them. So if you come back here, you click all tools. This is where you see all the tools. You see all the apps that you have again, all the other settings, collaboration center where you can collaborate with other people. You can see your media library or the media you've created and all of that. You can see your planners, a whole lot of things that you can do inside of the ads manager. So these are usually the most important things for the advertisers, the ads manager, the audience, the billing and payment, the business settings, and then the events manager. So all of them, they've been categorized based on what they help you do. So you can manage here, and then these are the things you need to actually advertise. This is where you analyze and see the reporting, and this is where you can create to engage your audiences. So in my subsequent video, we are going to look at some of these things individually and how you can do some simple tasks inside of them. And also, if you want to see how to actually create a campaign live, then check the video in the description of this video. I've created a video where you can actually create Facebook ads from the beginning to the end. And if you like videos around digital marketing, advertising, then you can subscribe to this YouTube channel, because I have a lot of videos in this niche, and I'll be happy to see you.